Today we're answering the question, what is OBS Studio? If you're looking to make your next live stream experience something to remember, you've gotten your lights together, you've gotten your camera, you know what you're going to talk about, but you want to put it all together and make it something absolutely to remember. Well, stay tuned because in this video, we're talking about the most powerful tool in live streaming technology. This is the beginner's guide to OBS Studio. First, we're going to cover the secret to creating fully customized live stream experiences that the pros definitely don't want you to know. Then I'm going to teach you how to say goodbye forever to video editing. And I'm going to show you the one-click hack to live streaming success. So stay tuned for this and so much more. Hey visibility hackers, and welcome to the inside of my computer. Today I'm going to show you the most powerful tool in all of live streaming. The one that I bet you the pros don't want you to know about. Why? Because it's absolutely free to use. It's not going to cost you hundreds of dollars in subscription fees, and it's easy enough to use that anyone can use it straight out of the box. So I'm going to show you how you can create fully customized live streaming experiences. This tool is OBS Studios. It's a free software that you can download. There are links down in the description box so you can get your hands on it absolutely free. With this software, you can create your own engaging live stream experiences. I'm going to show you how. Here I've loaded in my microphone that you can see bouncing around down below. You can see my camera, which is here. I've inputted those two devices, as you can see here in the sources section. I'm also going to show you how you can create, let's add, for example, a display capture. And I'll show you what's happening on my other monitor. Let's do that. So here you can see that I'm getting a feed of what's happening on my other monitor. So if I were to change the colors in there, you'd be able to see that difference appearing on the screen. There we go. So we can follow along and do different things, and our people can see that. We can create these really cool, engaging live streams that are as simple as having just an extra box that's showing what's on your monitor to having all of these animated graphics and so much more. It's an incredibly, incredibly powerful tool that's literally at your fingertips. Well, if you like this tip and you want more, then I definitely recommend you subscribe to the Visibility Hackers YouTube channel. I release new videos every single week, diving into building your authority, your influence, and ultimately your income online. We all know video editing sucks because it takes an absolute ton of our time, right? Well, what if I told you could get rid of video editing altogether? You don't have to farm it off to someone else, and you definitely won't have to do it yourself. Because if you start live streaming, we'll be able to create these really engaging videos all without having to go post-production, add everything in. We can do them live as we record them. It'll save you an absolute ton of time. It'll keep your content way more organized, and it'll wow your people once you start showing up live with really awesome video. So how do you actually do it? Well, here in OBS, down in the bottom right-hand corner, check out the spot labeled Controls. Under there, you'll see a button that says Start Recording. And that's what you're going to do. You're just going to press that button, click like that. You're going to press that button, and it's going to start recording whatever it is you have composed on your screen. In this case, it's going to start recording this image of me with my microphone sound as well. And you'll be able to create these really cool pieces of video without having to go back and do much editing. You might need to clip here and there, clip the front, clip the end, but other than that, you're not having to pay really expensive editors to help you create cool looking video. You'll be able to do it at your fingertips with this powerful tool. When you're ready to stop recording, you simply press stop recording. In the bottom taskbar, you can see how long your recording's been going on, and you can also see if you are live. So I'll tell you about streaming in just a moment. Hey, let's turn this recording off so it's just us. I've got a question. Have you created live stream content before? Have you been doing this? Have you seen content that you think is really engaging, but thought to yourself, that's definitely not for me? Well, I want to know in the comments. Let me know. Put your thoughts down. Let's have this conversation. All right, are you guys ready for the one-click hack to live streaming success? Well, it's as simple as setting up your settings correctly and simply clicking Start Streaming. That's it. In the bottom right-hand corner here on OBS, you can see the button that says Start Streaming. Once you press that, if you've hooked it up to a platform like Restream, click the card. There's a video we did on how to, or what Restream is and how does it help you be everywhere at the same time. So from here in OBS, all we have to do is click Start Streaming. If we've set it up correctly, the content will go from here in OBS, in our content creator, and then it'll get pushed out through Restream to a variety of different platforms, from YouTube to LinkedIn and maybe Instagram. You can put it on Twitch. You can put it in your Facebook group. You can embed it in your website for free. All of those platforms you're able to be on with a single click of a button here in OBS. It's pretty friggin' powerful stuff. If I've sold you on the idea that OBS is an incredibly powerful tool, then I definitely recommend you check out Live Academy. It's a program that I run that helps people just like you, visionary entrepreneurs, speakers, and coaches, design your live stream shows with the right frameworks, the right processes, the build-ups, the breakdowns, and everything in between, so that you can create that engaging experience that gets their attention and keeps them coming back for more. These are the secrets to creating lasting impact, maximum visibility, and a long-term success online. So definitely check it out in the description box below. I would love to see you guys there.